Hey guys, it's time to migrate from Universal Analytics to GA4. Google has finally given you this ultimatum to migrate to GA4 by this July, right? So this video is only for Webflow users. If you are Squarespace or Wix users, you can use these too, but this one is for Webflow only. So how we will go through this one? So if you look at here, I have this prerequisite for you, what you need to get ready, right? So let me first put this here. So if you look at here, it says prerequisites, what you need. Google Analytics account. You need to have a Google Analytics account and Google Tag Manager account. This is how it will work. If you already have an analytics account, that's fine. If you are new to Webflow and you don't have an analytics account, you must go and create an account. You just need to sign up for Google Analytics and create your account, right? So today I will use my client's account because their ID we are using Google Universal Analytics ID for their website, right? So I'll create them a new GA4 ID for their website. If you look at here at my analytics account, right, I want you to keep your Webflow account also open, right? I'm on this Strathmore, they are my client's website, it's on Webflow. They are already using UAID, but I want them to migrate to GA4. So you can follow these steps and you can also migrate your old analytics ID to GA4 one. Once you click on your account, right, you choose your account. I have multiple accounts here. I will choose the Strathmore, my client's account. So what I'll do now, I'll click on, once I'm there, I'll click on admin. If I click on admin, this is the screen I would see, right? And now I already have an account, right? So what I'll do, I'll just create a new property, a GA4 property for them, right? So how you can do that? Click on this. Right now, if you look at they have the old property, there are no any more properties here, right? So I'll click on create a property. Once you click on that, Google Analytics 4 property to measure your app data, property name, right? So let's give it a name. It should be meaningful, right? So if anyone is using from your company, right, so they know, okay, this is for GA4, right? Google Analytics 4, Strathmore GA4. The time zone, they are in Australia, they are in Sydney time, right? They are in Sydney, not Australian dollar, Australian dollar. Now I'll just click on next. It's help us tailor your experience by answering the following question. Industry category, they are into finance, investment and all, right? Small, it's a small business size. How do you need to use Google? We use it for everything, right? Measure customer engagement site or app, optimize our experience, everything. Just click everything. That's what we do, right? This is not necessary. Unless online sales, no, they don't have any measure app installs. No, we don't want that. Measure lead generation, because that's what we want, right? And that's what we have a website for. I'll click on create. We just have a look. We have successfully created this property, the GA4 property. Now, how can you use this on your website? So as you go to data streams, choose a platform. I want to upload this to my the ID to add to my Webflow website, right? It's for web. Look at here, website URL here. Let's say https strathmore.com.au, right? This is the ID, site name, Strathmore GA4 website, right? Create a stream. Let's create a stream. Create a stream here. Okay, this is my measurement ID, this is for my GA4. See, view tags instructions, how you can do that. That's why I told you in the beginning, you need to add your tag, install your tag. This is my tag, right, which I can install to my website, but we can you can copy these, install manually. I'll copy these, right. I'll go to my website, into my custom code, the Webflow website custom code. This is my website here, Tweak Designs. I'm showing you, right. I'm not adding it to my client's website at the moment. I'm showing you this is how, this is what I have. The old one I have here, right. I'm keeping the old one. I request you to keep your old one until it is completely vanished, right, from Google side. So I want you to keep it there. Don't remove the code for now. What I'll do, I'll just copy paste the code here, right. I don't want to do it now, right. So I won't make any changes here, but what I want you to do is copy this measurement ID, go to your Webflow, click on integrations. In the integrations, you will see the ID, measurement ID here. That's where you need to copy and paste. This is my own measurement ID of my Tweak Designs website. Here you need to paste the ID, save the changes and publish your website, right. This is how you can add to Webflow. But before that, this is how analytics works. The GA4, you need to create a new tag inside your Google Tag Manager. Go to your Google Tag Manager now, and once you are there, if you don't have an account, create your account, click on this new tag. I'll click on the new tag. I want this tag for, let's name it, right, Strathmore GA4. I'll click on, what do I want to do? I want to configure my GA4. Okay, they will require my ID. I'll put that measurement ID here. I copied it from here. Remember, you need to keep this tab open, right. And I want to set the triggers here, right. Fields to set, everything you see here. Send a page view event when this configuration loads, right. So they keep changing these things. So you may see some if you look at some old videos by Google, right. So they might have this trigger for which one and all, right. So it is already send a page view event when this configuration loads, right. So this is what we want for now. And in the triggering one, once you click on this triggering one, click on this trigger. I want it for all pages, all of my pages of my website, right. The website I have added here, the strathmore.com.au, right. That's where I want these all pages to, right. Whatever the pages users are visiting, right. I want to know which pages are getting more views. Once you save these, you save it from here, right. I'll save it from there, and you just need to submit this, right. From here you need to submit this thing from here. Once you submit that, and once you go to your website, you'll see, and once you done with those things, click on these reports and you will see the changes that you have made, right. If someone goes to a website, you will see the changes, right. This is a new website and this is a GA4 ID. That's why you won't see any visitors here. Once you add that, once you publish your website, and then open your website and load this page, reload this page from here, refresh this page, and you will see it's working, right. So it's pretty simple. What you need to do, create a GA4 property as I showed you, copy the measurement ID, the ID that they create, the ID one that I showed you, right. So let's say you have closed this, now you want to go to your ID. How can you do that? You just click on admin again, select your property. I want my GA4. See, initially it was not there, now it's here, and my property settings. This is my ID, the measurement ID GA41, right. This is where you can get it from. Otherwise you can click on data streams. This is your ID, click on your Strathmore GA4 website. This is your measurement ID that you can create, copy, go to Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. As I showed you here, you create a new tag here, right. and add a measurement ID and select for triggering event for all pages as I showed you, right. You can go back and watch the video again. Go to your Webflow project settings and select the integration tab. Go to your Webflow project setting and select this integrations tab here, and then paste the GA4 ID, paste the ID here. Then you are all set to publish your website and test the result, right. Click here, publish your website and test the result. So it will be working, and now you have successfully migrated to your GA4, your Webflow website to GA4 Analytics. Then you will don't get any interruptions from Google Analytics, because if you are still using a Universal Analytics version, right, so after July you don't see new results in your analytics, right. So I request you to keep your old ID here, the tags here. I don't want you to remove them. Don't remove them for now. Once July is gone and they have completely vanished, this Universal Analytics one, then you can remove it from here and publish your website and save changes, right. So yeah, this is what we had for the day. Let me take this here. So this is what we had to follow the process to migrate from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4. It's pretty simple. This is how you can do it, and if you have any queries, any doubts, just leave a comment or reach out to me through my website. I'm always ready to help you out, right. So just follow the process and migrate your old ID to the new one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you love this video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos like this for you. Bye.